you lost for words? So welcome back to a new video. If you check out Instagram, Mark McCann 64, people have been asking to see an aerial view of the track. Unfortunately, our drone doesn't go high enough. Mate Stu's come and picked us up with his helicopter. Do you reckon we get one of these on Facebook Marketplace? Stuart, do you reckon we'll be able to dust the track off? Yeah. It might be easier than a broom. Stuart, here's a challenge for you. This oval, 2 laps, the record is 36 seconds in a Tesla. So obviously, the oval track, 2 laps, I think the current record is 36 seconds by the Tesla Model 3 performance. Stuart reckons we might be able to beat. Sub 40. That's quick. Only 4 seconds slower than Tesla Model 3 performance. If you've got a car, which we think you can beat that, and you don't mind me driving it, then drop us a message on Instagram, because we'd love to see something faster than the Tesla. So we've just come to have a look at some wheels for Nick. His car is his pride and joy. It's a beautiful car and he uses it for our advantage. So last week did a bit of a stunt in the back garden for me and ended up taking the front splitter off, which was pretty much brand new, which obviously all that is Jordan's fault. But to help Jordan out, because he feels guilty, not because he wouldn't do that sort of thing, because he doesn't care. Nick does so much for us, for me and Jordan, for the channel. And I'm not trying to be some sort of hero here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy Nick's wheels. He doesn't know yet, but the amount of time he spends away from his family and his work to help what we do here, so it's time we treated him. Imagine that on the ML63 pickup truck. Big fat tyre wall, 64 in the centre, yellow brake calipers. That would look absolutely amazing. Drop us a comment. That's the ones he wants. So graphite grey, bigger offset on the front. They look nice on the old 63. So I've just bought his wheels. They're telling him that they've sold out now, and that was the last set, so they can't get them anymore. So he's probably going to be disappointed. You good?
Nope.
Why?
Because he's got none left.
No way.
Yeah, so they can't get them for this. You can get them for this, sorry. Not at the minute. There's none in stock.
I bought them, yeah.
What?
I bought them, so he's got none left. I told him to say that.
What do you mean?
Bought me for helping us out.
Why?
Because you do a lot for us.
Really?
Well, well enough.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
He thinks we're taking a piss.
This might be one of them double ones. They're really?
Really? I don't believe, yes.
They're not in stock. They're going to be about 6 days. So we'll come back.
Okay.
He still don't believe us.
I'm still not sure, to be honest. Really?
Really?
Nah.
No, seriously. Go get some wheels.
I don't believe you now.
I should actually buy Kate something, because she's the one who's missing out. Kate's got nobody to do the work. Kids have got no dad. Because you're always in the field with us getting dirty.
Yeah. Ripping my splitter off.
Exactly. That's what we said.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because we wrecked your splitter. Well, Jordan wrecked your splitter.
Good compromise, that though.
About 4 years ago, I bought this Vasaro simulator. Now, this was before Senna was born. Since Senna's been born, it's right next door to her bedroom, so I never get to use it, unfortunately. But I used to come on here like 2-3 times a week on the evenings and practice driving. It was really, really good for you, especially concentration. So rallycross, really super realistic. Stimulation or simulation, not quite sure which. I'm trying to get a good start. I'm under pressure.
Sally, can you see over the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, straight first. This isn't going very well.
Can you go party today?
We're going to go party, aren't we? It's Richard's birthday.
It's his son's birthday today.
No, it's not Senna's birthday.
It's Robbie's birthday.
It's whose?
It's his son's birthday.
No, it's not Senna's birthday.
Oh. Dada, what's his toes?
What's your toes,
Do
Jordan?
a hurt him.
Quick, turn.
Ah!
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 Oh,
Oh!
let's stop it then. Careful.
Earthquake!
I'm sure that's normal.
Nanny!
Oh, look what said Nanny was. The ambulance.
Where's Mummy?
Mummy's probably getting ready for the party.
Mummy! Mummy! What are you doing? I'm going to dance with
Is the door shut properly?
no.
So today we're on our way to Carwow again. So today we're going to be racing Aventador's upper runway at 200 miles an hour. Unfortunately, not a chance to clean the car. It's looking a bit messy, and I guarantee that all the other ones there are going to look like spick and span, but we're always different. You've been running it again. Morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Look how clean yours is.
Look how dirty yours is.
Talking about Jane.
I think the last time I saw this, you were going around a field ploughing it. Would that be right, Mark?
Tractor.
Jiro Siampi smiling face with sunglasses.
You won't believe what my phone says when you ring. It says Chiro, smiling face with sunglasses.
It's dirtier than last time.
So over at Carwow again with all the generations of the Aventador, really looking forward to this because there's some like amazing cars all in one straight line. Windy, freezing cold as usual, and there's one dirty one, George.
And it needs fuel, so you need to go get it now.
Do we need fuel?
I don't know, apparently. There's a rumour going around you got no fuel.
I thought they supplied fuel. So when we do these shoots usually, we can't sort of talk about them because of obviously we can get invited on and it's their channel and it's obviously a top secret thing because they're a production company.
It looks so cool with the dirt on it.
We took it for service once with loads of mud on. The dealership, he loved. They were so good, and the guy who was cleaning it said he'd and it was the dirtiest car, and he'd work at a Land Rover dealership.
Proper.
So I'm on the start line. Obviously, George is over there. I don't know if you can see him, but I've got Matt here. I've got Yanni this side, so two legends, and then we've got a runway. I'm not sure if you can see those skid marks, but most of them are mine. Last time I did it, it was like 6 mil. Which I wasted after doing 200 miles an hour. There's a problem. So the Ultimate, I don't know what they call it, is it's brand new. It's got 112 miles on, but unfortunately they don't think it's going to go into launch control, which may be an issue because it's all about getting all of these 5 cars to be identical so that you can see the performance of the evolution of that model. So obviously the Ultimate in theory, I think it's got 20 brake horsepower more as well, I think, so it should win. One thing Carwow's really good at is a true representation of the best of the ability of the car. So when we've done things before, Matt will always say, is it as good as the car will do? So as long as the car will do its best show at the 0 to 60, the brake test or whatever, he's happy as long as all the cars do as good as they can do, because that's what they want. So yeah, clever company, they do a good job. Is this last place? Is this last place?
He's great at driving it in the mud. He's great on helicopters, but drag racing, not so great. There's no point doing that. You can do that, but then the results speak for themselves.
Yeah, they do. They're editing it bad. They're doing it again.
They're editing it bad. I love that. Right, I've got to go. Mark, love you long time. I'll speak to you. Just phone me. Just phone me. Let's talk about it.
Can we have 60 chicken nuggets, please? Oh no, hang on, sorry. No, it's 60 chicken nuggets, not 6. As if he went 6 chicken nuggets. What a start.
That is energy saying that we can't do this. 100%. I mean, at least if one of us dies, at least we're in a hearse, so. Who wants what?
I'll have 20 nuggets, please.
Oh yeah, they're all the same.
Yeah. It seems to be unbelievably difficult to eat a chicken nugget tonight. We've got me more than 20 in there.
Are you really counting them?
Yeah, there's more than 20 here. 21, 22, 23, and I've already had one.
Actually?
So 24.
It's a bonus for you then, really.
Well, I'm a quarter of a way in if I finish this. You lot winding me up if you flipping rang ahead, doing me over that so that I've got 24. And I've got the lead basically.
That Lambo looks sick.
You bastard. You eating yours?
Yeah, I've got 3 left. Well,
It's not going well for me so far.
finish.
So we better explain what we're doing here tonight. On Instagram, somebody said to me, what are your goals? So I said, what I wanted to do was eat 100 chicken nuggets in an hour. Well, that's not going to happen. So we're going to try and eat 100 chicken nuggets in one night. Right, they've done me over again here because there's not 20.
Mate, look at how full your box is.
Yeah, there's not 23.
Again.
Do you know what? Somebody's going to get the sack when they watch this video.
I was half eaten.
So we're 7 up. I'm not dipping yet. If I can get through 50 without dipping.
The aim is to do it in 2 bites. I'm not even looking, I'm just
2
biting.
bites of nugget.
I'm overthinking it.
What are you doing there?
I've got 23 in my box, so I've removed 3.
Yeah, but it only brings your number down when you got to eat later.
No, it won't, because you don't count like that. You've already tried to do me over.
So technically,
There was no way you only put 1 in
Come on, slow go.
there. You're going well.
I'm just not thinking about it.
mine over matter.
I'm mentally broken.
Do you know what I'm thinking?
No way.
What a guy.
Well, I ain't going to get to 50. I can't even get to 25.
When are you going to get a proper car like a GTR?
We have looked at a GTR, haven't we? But we've never found the right one.
If you could only drive one car for the rest of your life, what would your choice be?
I'd say C63 Black Series. All day, every day.
Any new cars on the way?
The new Aventador replacement, going to be amazing. Seen some sneak pictures already, so looking forward to that.
What's the most you've spent on insurance, or do you have a fleet insurance?
I have a fleet insurance, but probably the most for a car the once was about 3.5 grand.
Is the hearse watertight?
No. No.
You've made that up.
I swear to God, it's there. Right there.
I'm not even 40 in. I'm dipping.
You're 41 in.
I'm dipping. I'm in. I've gone in early, haven't I?
Yeah, that's probably a good shout, letting some air in. How many you got left anyway? Oh, Jesus. Still got half the bleeding box.
How are we going to cheat this?
I mean, we could.
99.
Well, I'm out. How far are you going?
As far as you're willing to go. He's off. I don't know whether to pat him on the back or just let it happen.
Or film.
Oh, at least we're in a hearse. Oh, no. He just spat out half the chicken. He just spat out half the chicken.
On the eyes of what's Right, where we going next? Which one?
Well, you got to finish that box first.
Try to get something to look forward to.
What, another box of
box.
20 niggas?
If it won't swallow, let's just stop there.
Sounds like one of them posh girls. Oh God. I can't look, but I want to look. Oh.
How can it be so hard to swallow a chicken nugget?
I would show you sympathy, but it's self-inflicted.
No one else to blame but yourself.
I had such high hopes for myself. I'm sorry for letting everybody down. I wanted to do this to make Senna proud, and when she watches back when she's older, she's going to hide her head in shame. I'm sorry, Senna. I just want to say thank you for all the people who've supported me throughout this challenge. I vow that I'm going to come back stronger. I'm going to train hard. I'm going to smash 60 nuggets. I'm sorry for letting you both down.
What, are you going to carry on?
No.
You just tapped out?
Yep.
You might as well end the video then.
You've got to keep going to 64.
Oh no, this is your channel, not mine.
And it was your challenge.
These people have given up their hard evening.
Yeah.
They could be
For
watching
you.
EastEnders, but they're
The
watching this.
main man, Mr. Mark McCann.
They watch it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, I've heard it all now.
No trophies today.
It's like buggying weekend all over again.
Fucking third place again.
DNF! DNF!
Yeah.
Round of applause. DNF for Mark McCann.
Another DNF. Come back.
Welcome to the channel.
Welcome to a new video. Anybody who thinks that you can eat 100 chicken nuggets and think that's easy, I challenge you. I'll even buy the chicken nuggets because it's not possible. I can't even speak. I've got sick all up my nose. Seriously though, if you think you can do it and you know you can do it, come and join us for the day. But you've got to do it in an hour. So that's 100 chicken nuggets an hour. If you're up for that and you can definitely do it, you can come to our house. Hit the like button. It's down there. And the subscribe button. Comment how well I did at the chicken nuggets. Thanks, Nick. You can't use any of this. We might as well just flipping pack up.
Miles have just drank a litre of vodka.
That's the thing, innit? Flipping bad boy chiller crew. Drink a litre of vodka and I eat 37 nuggets. See you next Tuesday, 7 PM. Love you.
I think that's going to have to do. You look like death.